Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto Channel. My name is Josh, and today we have a lot to discuss. The US stock market is taking a serious hit, and as we know, when the stock market goes down, the crypto market usually follows. Bitcoin is giving off some massive warning signs, and there are some serious bearish signals playing out on the charts right now. On top of that, Ethereum is about to hit a major support area, while Solana continues to break lower, and XRP just broke a crucial level of support. Chainlink is getting dangerously close to breaking down as well. So, make sure you stick around to the end of this video to catch all of this and more. But first, let's take a quick look at the current situation in the US stock market. We're looking at the Nasdaq 100 index right now, and as you can see, the market is absolutely dumping. Over the past week, the stock market has been pulling back hard, but today, it's especially bad. The trigger? Well, Trump just announced new tariffs on China, another 10% tariff, which is likely exacerbating the market sell-off. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Josh, what does this have to do with crypto? Well, when stocks crash, crypto usually follows. The market is definitely feeling the pressure right now, and that bearish sentiment is spilling over into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Alright, moving over to Bitcoin. Let's check out the 4-day Bitcoin chart. Right now, we are seeing the super trend indicator getting really close to flipping into the red. The momentum is definitely building to the downside, and the signs are pointing towards more bearish price action for Bitcoin. So, if you're hoping for a big rally anytime soon, you might want to manage your expectations. Now, let's talk about some price targets. If Bitcoin continues to fall, the first major area of support sits between $70,000 and $74,000. This was a major area of resistance in the past, and it's now flipping into support. So, if we continue to see a pullback, this is where I'll be watching closely. Speaking of selling pressure, just this week, Bitcoin ETFs saw some massive outflows. On Monday, we saw about $500 million leave the ETFs, and by Wednesday, that number ballooned to $754 million. This was the largest outflow ever from the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF, which, as you can imagine, led to BlackRock having to sell a massive amount of Bitcoin to cover those withdrawals. That's not good news, as it signals a lack of demand and a potential downtrend in the market. So, we could be in for a rough ride in the short term. Let's move on to Ethereum. If we look at the weekly time frame for Ethereum, it's clear that we're in a bearish trend. We've broken below a major multi-year support line, and now, it's starting to give way to more selling pressure.